Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our pattern library course. Okay, so we first let me just import and copy this because we are going to do some importing. Okay, so I just paste it here. But we want to work on the quantify function in pattern in the pattern library. So with the quantify function, what it does is going to give us some word estimation of items in a list. Okay, so we can have several, couple, a million, thousands, so thousands of bananas, a couple of mangoes, let's say tens of thousands of sugar canes based on the values that you input. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, so from pattern.en, we want to import the quantify function. Quantify, run it, there's no error. So now let's try something. So print brackets, and then we'll do quantify. There's a plane called Qantas. Is it Qantas or Qantas Airlines? Quantify. Oops, my spelling is wrong. So quantify. Okay, so that's correct. And then it takes a set. So let me give it a set. So there's a set. So square brackets, and then inside the square brackets, I can start making my list. So let's say guava. Okay, and then outside it, I'll create another list. Guava, guava, comma. Then let's do sugar cane, sugar cane, comma. Let's do um mango, mango, mango. So I'm just going to pause here and then type them. Okay. Okay. So welcome back, and then I have two. Um, Let me add another guava. So let's use comma. Add another guava. Okay, so I have three guavas, one sugar cane, three mangoes. Let's change. Let's take the mango out. Okay, yeah, so this is fine. So three guavas, okay, two mangoes, and then a sugar cane. Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. Okay, so you can see we have several guavas. Okay, a pair of mangoes. Okay, and a sugar cane. So basically, this is what the quantifier is doing. Okay, so let's try another one out. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and then let's just change the value. So I'll pause and then change the values. Okay, so welcome back, and then you can see I have one pawpaw, two onions, a tomato, and then three tangerines. So let's run this and let's see what happens. So we have several tangerines, a pair of onions, a tomato, and then what? A pawpaw. Okay, so this is what the quantify function in the pattern library helps us to do. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.